Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem gift cards on Walmart. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Walmart app on your phone. Once you have opened up your app, this is how your interface is going to look like. It's going to take a little bit of time. Then afterwards, tap on this card option on top right corner, because for you to redeem your gift card, you have to go to the checkout section. Then from over here, tap on continue to checkout. And first thing first, add in your first name, last name, street address, your apartment suite address, your city, your state, your zip code, and your phone number lastly, and tap on set as my preferred address. So next time you don't have to. Now tap on save at the bottom. And once you have added your address, you're going to go to switch to the section of payment. Now over there, you will have listed payments, can be your digital payment, Apple Pay or PayPal, or can be a card section. And at the bottom, you will find a redeem gift card, coupon, vouchers. Go ahead, tap on that little box, and now you will simply see, check out your physical gift card that you have received, check out the number on it, or the digital gift card. Go ahead, enter the code, make sure it's correct, so recheck it twice. Then tap on redeem, which will be at the bottom or the side of it. Once you tap on redeem, the gift card will be redeemed on your product's amount right over there, and that is how you will be able to redeem a gift card on the Walmart. That's how easy it is to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.